So what we see when we work with a lot of support organizations is that in their tickets, we see a lot of questions that could have been just answered. They may be long tail, they may be kind of more particular, but they just have an answer, right? You don't need to always do something for the customer. It's not a bug, it's not something technical, it's just a way to do it that's new. And with products kind of evolving with faster cycles with R&D and AI, there's always new features coming out. And if you don't have that as a piece of knowledge that your self-serve agent can actually consume, then a gap is created. Because customers would expect the AI to know everything about your product, every little feature, everything you can do within the product, every little technicality, how do I do something, you're expected to know. And if you don't feed your self-service AI with the right kind of knowledge, there's no way for it to know. And typically help center articles are either too broad or they're not totally up to date with the fine details. So I want to split this into two different ways to solve it. One way to solve it is to actually look at your tickets, see what are the recurring problems and issues, and then come in, see what are the ones that are actually able to streamline plus are missing the right kind of information, and then create that with AI, and then push that to your help center or self-service AI. That's one way to do it. We're doing it as well. The reason to do it for the recurring issues and not just for everyone is that you need that kind of balance between this is not just a one-off question that would never come back, and not confuse your AI with millions of details of information that would never be asked. And that kind of lowers the accuracy and creates a lot of help center. Also creates a lot of work for SMEs that are needing to validate this new knowledge. On the other hand, if you use the bigger, let's call them clusters of tickets that don't have knowledge attached to it, you ensure two things. One, you're building the right knowledge to solve and reduce the bigger chunk of tickets. Two, you're reducing the load of works of the people that need to actually provision the knowledge that's created either by you or by AI. So that's why we find that methodology really, really helpful when it comes to marrying knowledge with self-service.